Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts to show off this 1968 Pontiac GTO Body Shell on a pallet. This body is not in the best condition. It's got plenty of issues. It's got some rust, it's got some damage, but it does have some good pieces. It's got good door jambs, good interior structure, really good dash. It's got nice floor bracing, cowl pieces, and so forth. It also is a real GTO, a real 242 1968 GTO, and it came originally with a HO engine. We do have the documentation from PHS. We also have a clean California title that comes with this. So if you've got a not so special GTO that you're restoring and you need some pieces, or maybe you have a Le Mans or a Tempest and you've always wanted it to be a GTO, well, you could put your panels or your pieces on this car, put this back together and repair it, and you would now have a 1968 GTO HO car. Originally came Vidaro green, and I think it had a vinyl top. I don't know, we've got the PHS that comes with it, but there you go. So 1968 GTO. Let me show you the tags here real quick. There's the tags. And this body shell is on our website at frankspontiacparts.com. So have a great day, and thank you for checking us out.